2017 Explorer, we're going to be changing the cabin filter. First, you're going to have to open up the glove compartment. There's going to be a clip connected back here. Usually I use this to take it out. Once you pull it out, all you got to do is just connect the two clips inside. Once it comes down, you got to be really careful when you do it, because there's a clip back here which you could break off if you force it too much. Then, once you're done with that, you got to put your hand in there. You're going to see two tabs on the cover. All you got to do is pull the two tabs right out, and you should be able to pull the cover out. Okay, yeah, so it's going to be these two tabs right here. Once you pull those two out, you should be able to take this right out, and the cabin filter should be right behind it. To put it back on, it's right the opposite way. Just put this back in. Very careful. You're going to see the opening. Once you push it in, easily, it's going to be right in there. Then all you got to do is pull this back inside. Very careful so you don't break anything. Clip it back in. It's going to be looking right like that, and then back here is going to be your strength, which this one goes right in here. Once you clip that in, just push it right back up.